Okay, children, we are looking at our science exercise here on page 14. We're going to do it together. Today for science, we looked, in fact, for the last week, we have been looking at forces. And we say that a force is a push, or a pull, a squeeze, or a twist. All of these are called forces. Forces can make objects move. Forces can change the shape of something. Like if you squeeze a sponge, you change it gets smaller, so you change the shape of it. Or if you take a piece of plasticine in your hand and you squeeze it, you can change its shape. You're applying a force state with your hand. If you open a jar, you have to twist. You have to apply a force with your hand to twist the jar open, right? So forces are pull, it's a pull, a push, squeeze, or a twist. Now let's look at this exercise here. Okay, we're going to read it together and answer the questions. Now here, let's read it up. Write which force is used to complete the following activities. Read that. Okay, and here we have the forces. Pull, read it after me. Pull, push, squeeze, twist. Let's go to number 1. To open a door. Read that. Which one do we use to open a door? Is it a pull, push, squeeze, or a twist? Which one? Yes, we can use a push to open the door. So let's write the word push. P-U-S-H. Push. Very good. Now let's read the next one, number 2. To close a door. Read it. Right, so to open a door, we pushed it. So how then do we close a door? Do we still push that or squeeze it or twist it? No, we pull it. So let's write the word pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Very good. So to close a door, we pull it. To open the door, we push it. Let's read number 3. To get juice out of an orange. Read that. How do we get juice out of an orange? Do we push it or pull it? No, we squeeze it. We squeeze oranges to get the juice out of it. Let's write that word squeeze. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. Squeeze. Good. So far, so good. Now let's read number 4. To move a wheelbarrow. Read it. How do you move a wheelbarrow? You tell me. Correct. We push it. So let's write the word push. P-U-S-H. Push. Good. Next one. When you play a game of tug of war, read that part. What force do you use? So when you play a game of tug of war, what kind of force do you use? Is it a twist, a squeeze, a pull, or do you push them? Okay, yes, very good. You have to pull the rope. So we have to write this in a sentence. Let's go. We use a pushing force. And we put a full stop. Okay, so to play a game of tug of war, we use a pushing force. Now let's look at it underneath here now. Which of the following is an example of a force? Which of the following is an example of a force? We have mass, pull, wind, or energy. Which one is an example of a force? Is it mass, pull, wind, or energy? Yes, a pull. Remember, force is a pull. Okay, very good so far. Now let's move on to the number 7. Okay, so we're moving on to number 7. Until we get to 10. So let's make it a little bigger so we can all see it. Okay, make that a little smaller. Right, here we are now. Okay, let's get back our letters. Here we have to choose the answer, so I'm going to get my correct sign. Let's read number 7. What force is being shown in the picture? Read it for yourself. And we have some forces here. A pull, a push, a turn. So how is the man moving that steering? Is he pulling it, pushing it, or turning it? Yes, a turn. Very good. Let's read the next one now. Now put your tick. I hope you're putting your tick there. Let's go. Number 8. What force is being shown in the picture? Read it now. Do you see the picture here? They want to know what force is being shown. Is it a pull, a push, or a turn? How is the man moving that car? Yes, a pull. So put your tick here. Very good. Number 9. When you push an object, you cause it to what? Read it again now. When you push an object, you cause it to. Here are 3 answers. Move towards you, move away from you, squeeze. Let's read those answers. Move towards you, move away from you, squeeze. So when you push an object, what do you cause it to do? Do you cause it to squeeze, to move away from you, or move towards you? Very good if you said move away from you. When you push something, you send it away from you. Nice. Last one now. When the force of pull, read that back, is applied to an object, read it now, is applied to an object, it causes it to, let's read the whole thing now. When the force of pull is applied to an object, it causes it to, read it with me now. When the force of pull is applied to an object, it causes it to A, come towards you, fall, B is fall, or C, move away from you. So when you pull an object, does it come towards you, does it fall, or does it move away from you? Which one is correct? If you said come towards you, you are correct. Very good, children. That was well done.